So there are a lot of people who really struggle a lot when it comes to art and craft and DIYs because they are generally not very good at it. So keeping that in mind, in this video I'm going to share very easy and simple tricks with you people, and these are so easy that even kids can try it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and please watch it till end. Also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first wall hanging, you need such golden and silver color foam sheets. Now on the back side of the silver foam sheet, make a half moon shape like this and then cut it out carefully. After that, take the golden foam sheet and draw different color stars on its back side like this, and then cut them out carefully. And remember to cut it out carefully because the shape matters a lot. If it's not perfect, it won't give the perfect look it should. I had this pink cover, so I took out its roll and now I'm going to use it. So I took acrylic color and I thought white will go well with my room, so I painted it white. And after the painting was done, I kept it to dry for some time. And here I'm using these thick white color thread. Tie them like this, and you have to tie 4 to 5 such threads, and remember to keep them in different shape to give it a little different look. Also, I had these white color pearls, so I'm going to use them as well. And you can see how randomly I've pasted them. Also, I'm going to use tape to stick all these things on the thread, and it is done. You can paste them in any random order and it really looks very beautiful. Now I'll show you how to hang it on the wall. So with the help of a pen, I made a hole like this on both the sides of this roll, and with the help of a thick multicolored thread, I'm going to tie it. Remember to use a thick thread so it can handle it properly. And now you can directly hang it on the wall, and it really looks very beautiful. And you saw how easily I made it by just cutting out different shapes. For the second one, I used the remaining of the golden foam sheet. Now I made such 2 cuts in it, and it was about 15 centimeter in length. Now after that, I start braiding it. I used to braid my hair in same way when I have to go to school, so it is really easy step for especially girls who know how to braid hair. And for other people who don't know, you can simply follow these steps which I'm showing. It is very easy. Just keep on doing it till you reach the end. Once you reach the bottom, just apply some white glue and stick it properly. And from the top, cut out these extra corners. Now all you have to do is just roll it like this. You can also apply glue in between if you want to stick it properly. I'm going to apply it on the end. And it is ready. So in the same way, I made these other 2 red color flowers and they look very pretty. Also, I used this remaining of the silver foam sheet to make small leaves. Obviously green leaves would look much better, but I don't have green color foam sheets, so I use silver ones, and even they go pretty well with these flowers. Also, I had this basket, so I thought to keep it in it, and it really looks very cute. For the last one, I used this green color sheet you have to make one such fold on the end and cut it out. It will look something like this. Now fold it and draw such a shape and cut it out, and you will get a shape like this. And in the same way you have to make it 4 times. Now on the inner portion you have to apply white glue or Fevistick, anything will work here, and stick it like this with another one. And in the same way you have to stick these other 2 folds also. You can see here I'm using a sheet which is already used, and yes, I'm recycling it. So you can see in actual I recycle everything I can. I reuse my stuff. I never waste anything. So you should also follow this. You should also try and use whatever waste you can use and recycle in a better way. And I also had this small cardboard of white color, so I'm just going to make small cuts from the outside and I'm going to fold it like this. This step is totally optional. Now with the help of white glue I'm going to stick it directly on this. And let it dry properly for some time. Also I had these rhinestones, so I'm going to use them. I use these white ones. You can easily purchase it from any stationery in about 10 rupees. And on the top I pasted this white pearl and it is ready. All these 3 DIYs were super easy. You just have to cut and paste. So let me know if you like my ideas.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, you won't be missing any of my further videos. And also, you can join me on Instagram. I'll be giving its link in my description box.